Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 18th and 19th of June. Virgo, your channel cards are political agenda and the Five of Pentacles. So I'm getting Virgo, your clothed group, I'm getting somebody was used as a sacrifice for political gain, okay? I was also hearing Jennifer's Body. I don't know if you ever watched that movie with Megan Fox. I'm getting something about a musician or something about a rock band who did sacrifice this girl because them used to go on tours, them used to play around, and I'm getting the rock band was dead. Dead like an old man's cock, right? I'm getting maybe the lead singer of the band or the band was trying to come back together, but me getting them, their career was expired, but me getting somebody couldn't give up the fame, them can't give up. You know what? It's the end of our journey. Let's do normal things in life. So I'm gonna get this girl and try to sacrifice her for the career. Somebody might play a guitar, okay? But I'm also getting politics. Like somebody was sacrificed in the name of some type of political leader, or maybe that's what was supposed to happen. Perhaps you were supposed to be a political leader, Virgo. But we're getting you were sacrificing someone's name. Okay? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Yeah, we're getting something about a ban where they try to sacrifice you for them career for take off. But me getting just like Jennifer's Body. I know that Jennifer had a friend and then she did come back and she was haunting the friend. But me getting something about the woman on the kill will come back and kill off all I know. That's what I'm getting. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Virgo. Through the trees, I will find you. We have the King of Swords coming out first. I'm getting a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have the Queen of Wands. I'm getting it's a couple. I'm getting the man is an air sign, the woman is a fire sign, all right? We have the Five of Wands. Okay, I'm seeing, is this a French president? I'm seeing something about this woman hitting you. She hit you, she fight you. Now, I don't know if you know you're stronger than her, which is why you're not hit her back. Or I'm getting you have been in a very abusive situation, Virgo. I'm getting this woman. She love to fight you. Maybe there's something about you with this woman for a very long time. Me getting you're moving up in the political field, and me getting you saying she's not the woman I want to take with me. Or worse, you're being abused. Unlike the French president, you're being abused by this woman, and now that you're going into the political field, you're saying I can't carry this bitch with me. She might embarrass me. Me getting something about the woman. She hit you. She fight you. Me getting this woman is freaking the fuck out. We have the end. Is it a Sagittarius woman? Or me getting you saying you need to get away from this woman. I don't know if you're packing up your bags and you're trying to stay somewhere on someone's couch for a few days. But seeing that girl, she hit you. She's hitting the fuck out of you. You're getting something about a Sagittarius. So she lick you and you're not called police. She lick you and you just take it. And you will say it. That's like a woman coming at you with a knife and you're not doing nothing. You hold her hand. You're not lick her back. You're not hit the knife out her hand. Perhaps you're scared for go jail. Maybe you already have a police record out on you. And you know if you do. Maybe she know that. So she know if you so-called hit her back, she gonna try to press charges on you. We have the, me getting you turning your back on her. Me getting you saying I don't want this anymore. Or something is publicly humiliating. Political agenda, the Five of Pentacles. Me getting she gonna get locked out, or me getting somebody is evicted. Getting someone's on the streets right now. Kind of like how I was on the street a couple of years ago. Me getting someone's now on the fucking street. Or something about after somebody hit you, police was called and she was escorted off the property. But me getting ever since somebody left the home, me getting you feel so fucking peaceful. Me getting you're dealing with a fire sign. It's an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman. The King of Swords is clarified by the, me getting something about you want a new woman, you want to move on. You know, I'm kind of getting you're the type of man who you always think, you seem like you're married. You're giving me a married man energy. The married, you know, those married men energy. I don't know if you're married, but you're giving me a married man energy. Because me getting you're the type of person where you never have a woman. You're the type of man who has to... I'm sorry. I did not mean to bring this up. You're the type of man, you never sat down and have a girl bring your food to you. You're the type of man, when you finish eating, you take up yours and her plate and go wash it. You're doing the fucking dishes, bitch. What the fuck? And you don't even like cooking, right? You're getting, you want you to trade her out for somebody more serving of you. And I'm getting, if you're a politician, I mean, you need your woman to be kind of subserving. You need her, you need the public to see why you was the best choice. And obviously the woman you chose found you to be the best choice. You need some, while in public, she have something and she's dabbing your face. She fixing your collar while you're talking. Me getting you want somebody like that, alright? Me getting the Queen of Wands, she dramatic. Me getting this, she'll hit it in your face. In your face. In your fucking face, brody. Queen of Wands is clarified by the star card. Are you with a star? Are you with a celebrity? Me getting she's known too. Now, maybe you're trying to make this woman jealous, so she leave you. Me getting is fucking working. The Five of Wands is clarified by the Chariot. See the police here, the police going to be called. Speaking of police, is which fucking officer fingerprint me last night? Wait, me say my dream, let me tell you my dream. My dream last night, say me in a one bed. One police officer over here, say in a uniform. Another police officer, me no know. My dream said 2 police officers asleep in my bed. 2 of them. One over here, one over here. And me no know if them come for arrest me, or me no know what them come for do. Or me know them drop asleep. And at one point, we must move over one and start sleeping in the middle. And then after I did that, I don't know which fucking officer fingerprint my thumb. You do know that you're supposed to fingerprint all hands, right? Not just the thumb. You look like you want to set somebody the fuck up. Why would they get one fingerprint? That makes sense? You look at that, look as shady as giving somebody a glass of water to drink and make them fingerprints leave on it. What the fuck was that? Any fucking ways? I don't know if there's something about being with 2 people at the same time. Anyways, me getting the police going to be called. The fighting. Call police on our blood clot if you can't hit her back. Call it. The Chariot. Cause me getting she known. She well known. She's a celebrity. The Temperance is clarified by the Empress. Okay, so I'm getting you want the Empress. You're getting the Empress is more subtle. She's more subservient. I'm getting when you're with somebody, she kind of make you lead. She make you kind of talk. I'm getting when you're out with the Empress don't really talk much. She make you talk. She make you lead. So maybe this woman demasculate you in front of people. But me getting is a woman, she will hit you in a pot. You go restaurant with her and she don't like something, she will freak the fuck out on you. And I'm getting that's fucking embarrassing, especially as a future political leader. But me getting something about, me getting like once you leave this woman, me getting she will stop getting access to a lot of shit. This is the type of woman you're out, and if the waitress is nice to you, she will hit you. She not hit the waitress, even though she don't have a reason to do it. The 3 of Wands is clarified by the 6 of, yeah. Me getting you to turn your back on her. Me getting everybody kind of, me getting people is saying you and this girl look better together. When you and this girl walk on the road, you look better. Me don't know where you find this woman from, but I'm getting you been with her. She might be an Instagram girl, or me getting she don't have a proper purpose. It might be the type of girl who just take picture and upload on social media every day. Me getting she will hit though. She's feisty. Me getting something with like a Sagittarius or Leo is a fire sign. Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries. But again, your message was Jennifer's body. Me getting something about. Me don't know if she ever sacrifice. Cause me getting I get somebody for go to jail and get locked the fuck up. But me getting when them get locked up, you feel bad, like you want to bond them. Don't blood clot banar. You're fucking stupid. What the fuck's wrong with you? God give you an outlet and you're going back to the fucking jail cell for go bail her. Don't bail her. Make sure do her time. Perhaps she's not hitting you hard enough for you to learn your fucking lesson. We have the number 3. We have Gemini. We have political agenda. Yeah, is somebody born the 3rd? Somebody's born the 3rd of June. Gemini number 3. Political agenda. We got illness. We have Cancer. And we also have CIA. Maybe you're trying to... I don't know what you're trying to, Brody. All I know is that you're getting hit in the fucking meantime. And again, I don't know if you have to take the hits because you're bigger and you know it don't hurt you. Cause me getting you have like a... I don't know, you have a pale face. And you just be like, okay. I'm getting nobody would know what you deal with. Not unless it caught on video or you say it out of your mouth. Perhaps you need a girl to beat her ass. Maybe that's what it is. You know much time I see girl abuse woman and would have beat them. And I don't know the man. But I don't interfere because I don't know if the man ever go back to her. I'm not going to interfere with a man and woman domestic dispute. Because she knows she can't lick him. She not lick no girl. I would gladly drag her for you. The problem is 2 packs of sugar, you might go back to her. So, who the fuck wants to get himself involved in that piece of mess? You look like you like the abuse. If that bitch ain't hitting you, you don't feel loved. If that bitch ain't freaking the fuck out, you don't feel loved. If she not dramatic and a cuss you and a scream at you for looking at other girls, you don't feel loved. I know some men like that toxic behavior. It probably come from your mother. And the men that she had poor choices in selecting. I'm going to leave it here. Virgo, until next time. Bye.